On October 1st, the Child Victims Act will take effect. It's a law that eliminates the statute of limitations for sexual abuse cases in Maryland. Yesterday, the Archdiocese sent a letter to its parishioners warning them about the possible financial troubles on the horizon because of the new law. Alex Glaze read the letter and joins us with reaction from a local victim advocate.
In a letter to hundreds of thousands of Catholics throughout Baltimore, Archbishop William Lori warned of the devastating financial consequences the Child Victims Act would have. Archbishop Lori says that over the next couple of days, he will consider how he is going to respond to that new law that's set to take effect in October. One of the options he's considering is bankruptcy.
In April, Governor Westmore signed the Child Victims Act. It's a law that eliminates the statute of limitations for survivors of child sex abuse in Maryland to sue their abusers. The signing of the bill came days after the Maryland Office of the Attorney General released a 456-page investigation that detailed more than 150 people within the Archdiocese of Baltimore allegedly assaulting more than 600 children over the course of 8 decades. Tuesday, Archbishop William Lori penned a letter to hundreds of thousands of Catholics across Baltimore, saying because of the high likelihood that the Archdiocese will face multiple lawsuits, the church is considering filing for bankruptcy. That has some sex abuse victim survivors upset.
They're infuriated. They're mad as can be.
In the letter to parishioners obtained by WJZ, Archbishop Lori says bankruptcy reorganization will establish a reasonable and equitable method for compensation of victim survivors, while also preserving the many vital ministries of the Archdiocese. Our media partners at the Baltimore Banner spoke with a University of Maryland Baltimore law professor who says that while it is legal for the church to file for bankruptcy, she believes it undermines the purpose of the Child Victims Act. She says we're likely to have some folks who just aren't ready to come forward, only to essentially have their claims extinguished because of the bankruptcy process.
When someone commits a crime against you, does that person get to dictate the terms of the settlement with you? He treats this as if these are a couple of bad apples. You know, we had some people hurt children. He's totally ignoring the fact that there was an active cover-up.
In Baltimore City, Alex Glaze, WJZ.